Uh, Hello guys, welcome to the streams. So yeah, welcome to the 23rd of August 2022, the Pacific PNG Pacific Capital Asian session streams. As usual, as you all know, our main pair to trade is gold, so we're really going to be looking at gold for this session. But before we, as usual, we're going to start our session off with a top-down analysis. But before we do that, we're going to check Forex Factory to see if you have any high impact news that would come out later on, or it would affect our trading. So looking at Forex Factory today, let's see. We have a couple of high impact Euro news coming out later on during London Open. We also have GBP JPY, a couple of high impact news, and we also have yeah, news. I think this today is we're gonna have a lot of volume for today. Let's see. I'm gonna start off our top-down analysis starting on the high time frame, see what's happening on the high time frame. Daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame. Okay. Looking at the daily time frame, we have yesterday's daily candle. I think that yesterday and the whole of last week's daily candles were pretty bearish. Really have a very high bearish volatility on the daily time frame. The weekly time frame also. Let's just take a look at what the weekly time frame is doing. Oh, sorry. I think we're bound to retest the lows now on the weekly time frame. Potentially come down to this support level around, what's this price level? 1707.50. So that could be our overall target on the weekly time frame. Looking at the daily time frame, we're currently pushing bullish at the moment. I think we're gonna have some bullish momentum potentially coming out to test this level at 1740 or 1742.50. Right over here before we start driving down again. Drive bearish on the daily time frame, could potentially come down to the support level area over here around 1750, 1715 area, around that area. So I think for this session, our 4-hour candle is driving bullish at the moment. This is our third bullish 4-hour candle of the day. Sorry, of the week. I mean, since we made a low on the weekly time frame, I'm starting to drive bullish right now. But looking at the 4-hour time frame, we have a support level at 173500. Should I say 1730.50? That's on the 4-hour time frame. To the left, yeah, I think we could potentially drive bullish at the moment. Really don't have any confirmations for sales yet. I would ideally want to see some sort of resistance forming on the 4-hour time frame to potentially retest the lows at 1730. But at this point, I'm not too sure of our biases yet. What I'll do is go to the lower time frames, the 1 hour time frame, and the 30-minute time frame. See if we have any opportunities to trade at this point. We have this 1 hour candle closing in the next 1 minute. Terminal up. I think I'm gonna be taking the next trade in the 1 hour time frame. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we're closing above resistance here at 1777 600. Right over here. So looking to the left on the 1 hour time frame, we have clean traffic coming up all the way to this next resistance area at this price level right here, 7049. Yeah, probably look to enter a trade when we break the candle high. The only problem is we could get faked out, but affect us. We have our buy stops. I have my buy stops above the current 1 hour candle, due to the fact that we're pretty much closing above these resistance areas. So I'm really expecting this. I'm really expecting price to push up at this point. Hell am I listening to? Spreads are a little bit wide for the session, but it's okay. I'm gonna see how the forward cannot close here. Forward cannot close bearish also. Guys, I just got activated into this trade right there. Let's see. Trades here. Our stop loss is gonna be below the previous forward candle. Oh, that's a little bit too big. Maybe the forward body. Actually, just in this range. We're gonna have our stop loss in this range, and we're really gonna be targeting this high at 1748. 49 area right over here. So where did we get activated? 1743, 1739 actually. Activated at 1739.04. Because of the fact that we're pretty much trading against the trend, I'm not going to be taking any chances with this trade. I'm really going to be looking to secure positions at around 10, 11, 15 pips and the move starts to break even. See if we can run a little bit further. This could potentially be a faker for us to potentially drive bearish, and that wouldn't be too ideal. Really gonna be focused on the 1 hour time frame. I'm gonna be securing profits around 12 pips. 1740. Yeah, around 1740 area, because you might reject 1740. 1740 is the key level. So I wouldn't be I don't wanna be taking any chances around 1740. Guys, I only have one more subscriber for me to hit 150 subscribers, so it's one more guys. Oh, 150 subscribers. Sweet. And whoever the 150th subscriber was, man. Thank you very much. Now we're gonna clock 200 subscribers by the end of the week. Hey, Luck Mikant. Good morning, mate. Do you have a shorter way of saying your name or what? It's a mouthful. Lucky? Call you Lucky? Oh shit, man. Totally forgot coffee. This is a fairly simple trade. Textbook. We have the candle closed outside of the resistance area that's been trying to break out of for the past couple of hours. Entered on the break of the previous kind of wick. Stops back in the range. I think we can start driving now. I have open trade at 737. Oh man, nice trade, bro. Very nice. You're in early on the charts. How was your session yesterday, bro? How was your session? There we go. Pushing like 6 pips. I'm gonna be securing positions around 12 pips. 11, 12 pips. The reason I want to secure positions at 12 pips is because we're trading against the trend on the higher time frames, the daily time frame and the weekly time frame. It's all bearish, and we also have this rejection wick here. So price came up. Price has been in this price before, right here. What time was this? Yeah, 30 minutes after NYC opened yesterday. So price has been up to this level yesterday, but rejected. So this territory that we're coming into right now is a rejection level. That's why I'm not gonna be. I'm really gonna be managing risk levels here. Ideally, would like the 1 hour candle to stay bullish, close bullish. Next 1 hour candle to continue bullish. That would be ideal. Lucky, have you secured any positions yet? I think if we start breaking our own lows, I'm gonna be closing 50% of my positions. That's how I'm gonna manage risk. Like 1740. 1740 is a pretty strong psychological level. Right here, guys, right here. This level right here. So we have price coming up to this level right here, see? Rejecting it. So if we start bearish, I wouldn't be too comfortable in this trade. There we go, pushing nicely. Need a little bit more more volume. As I predicted, the price was touch 1735. Yeah, bro. You a genie. A genius. Very nice call, bro. Very nice. We are running at like 7 pips right now. I really want to secure positions at 4 pips. And then I'm gonna move my stars to break. And I'm gonna look to securing some more position. Something up there. Our today's London session CPI event is there. What is your analysis on that? We'll take the lead to uptrend and therefore we have a scope of the downtrend. What CPI event during London session? Today is Tuesday, right? Are you sure this is CPI or I'm not sure what this news is, but it's pretty much a high impact news. I'm not sure, bro. No PMI, yeah. Okay, man. This is pretty much a high volume news coming out everyone today. But as you all know, I'm not a fundamental trader. I wouldn't really know how this news is gonna affect gold. But as for GBP/JPY, this is a GBP/JPY news. I'm not sure how it's gonna affect GBP/JPY because I haven't been looking at GBP/JPY, but I don't think it's gonna affect gold that much. But I'm sure it's gonna cause a lot of volume in the markets. So price action wise for gold during London session, it's gonna be very nice. It's gonna be very decent. I think you're gonna have a lot of opportunities to secure positions come London session. I'm not gonna be trading London session this afternoon. I mean, I'm not too sure if I'm gonna be here for London session. What the hell am I listening to? Yeah. So the CPI, I think people who trade the Euro news, the people who trade Euro or GBP/JPY, they're gonna be more familiar regarding fundamentals on that side. As far as how that news is gonna affect gold, I highly doubt it. The only news that's affecting gold against USD is USD news at this point, and other like worldly events. I mean, world news, significant events that will affect like the world economy as a whole. But I'm not too sure about that, bro. If you're gonna be trading GBP/JPY or Euro, I think you really have to take a look at that. Just see how price moved with the previous PMI data release. See if market structure is the same. See how you can emulate that. But otherwise, I'm not gonna be taking a trade on GBP/JPY for that news. So. As far as your question goes for if you're gonna go uptrend or downtrend, I'm not too sure at this point. I have to come into the markets during London session and see how it plays out. Price is really struggling to break above 7040 at this point. Waiting for break 7040 level. Yeah, like I said earlier on the streams, 7040 is a pretty strong resistance, pretty strong psychological level, so could have a little bit of a problem going past this level, but this level holds, then we're gonna look to manage risk. At this point, this bullish candle starts flipping bearish, I'm gonna take out half my risk. Go guys, pushing slowly towards 10 pips. Price is really struggling to break above 740. Really struggling to break above that level. Guys, almost there, guys. Almost. Guys, just check your positions right there. 15 pips. My stops are now at break even. Did anyone take this trade with me? This is a very nice trade, guys. Very, very nice trade. Pretty much out for the day. This could be a fake out, guys. That's the only problem. Could have a fake out, potentially drive bearish. That's the only problem. We're coming back down to our entry level. If we get stopped out and break even, that's fine. Yeah, like I said, price is really trying to break above 1740. Just now Hong Kong and Singapore session started. Yeah, you're right. I'm pretty much done for the session, to be honest. I am done. I've secured my profits at like 450. Secure positions. show you guys where secure positions. The secure positions at 1740.11. Yeah. This is where I secure positions, right over here. This is where I secure positions. Yeah, like 11 pips, 11, 12 pips. I think we're gonna be pushing very nicely at this point. Yeah, bro. 1744, even 1748. Possible, eh? Possible. But just be careful though. We're trading against a trend at this point. So let me show you. See? Just be careful. If you have a forward candle close bearish, then that's the point where we could have some retracements at this point. Yeah. Yeah. 1744 could be reached. Guys, we're about to get stop order break even. Get stop order break even, we're not gonna be forcing any trades after that. Coming to London session, I'm gonna be looking for sales. Right now, these buys are just temporary. GPG looks too it's good to drive bearish. Very. Honestly. For this past how many months I've only been trading gold. So keeps on kissing to the level. Yeah, man. Like I told you, 740 is a very strong level. Trying to figure out a way I could trade. Oh, sorry, silver. Silver. Trying to add another pair to my arsenal. So 1744 is where we secure our next lot of profits, and hopefully we can reach 1748 by the end of the day. Let's see how it looks at the daily time frame. I think we're gonna be okay. We have the new hour candle opening now. They have closed slightly above 1744, so we could start pushing bullish at this point. Here we break above the previous one working on high and start pushing. So this 30-minute candle closes in the next 9 minutes. I never really broke down the 30-minute time frame when it came to the chart, so I think that's what I'm gonna do now. We had price really breaking above. We had price really breaking above 1738. We had a series of actually not 1730, 37,500. So we had a series of 30-minute candle really starting to push up at that point. I think if we continue this bearish momentum, we could potentially come up to 1748. But we might have some reactions at 1744, 1745. Yeah, I have some reactions of those levels. Look to the left on the 1 hour time frame. We have clean traffic going up all the way to 1735. Clean traffic also on the 30-minute time. 1748. We also have clean traffic on the 30-minute time frame. So I think we're gonna have some very decent bullish momentum. If we don't have any big sellers coming in. I think at the end of the week, at the end of the week, I'm gonna probably post up a content about total number of trades taken during the week, total outcome, wins, losses, why those trades were taken. Maybe on Saturday or Sunday. I'm not sure if I should do like a pre-recorded one and put it up, or potentially do a live trading recap. We'll see. guys. At this point, we really don't have any entries. That's it. We really don't have any entries. We have closed above resistance on the 1 hour time frame 2 hours ago. Executed buys on the previous 1 hour candle. Now we have this 30-minute candle. This 30-minute candle just closed bearish. At this point, I'm pretty much done for the day. I have to go attend my dad's my one of my friend's dad's funeral. If they finish early, then I'll catch you guys during London session, but I don't like rushing into the charts. If anything, we're just gonna call it a session. We're just gonna call it a day at this point. Pretty happy with my win for today. Secure positions. Yeah, we secure positions and our runners go stop out at break even, but Testing, testing, testing. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna call it a session. We had a very nice Asian session. Managed to secure 10 pips. Sorry, 11 pips. We managed to secure 11 pips, so now we're gonna call it a day. Call it a session at this point. I have to attend a friend's dad's funeral. Finish early, then I'm gonna come in for a session. If we don't, then I'm just gonna call it a day at this point. Yeah, pretty much up for the month. I'm really planning on making an early monthly withdrawal and then potentially start the FTMO challenge. Not because I need to do it, but because I want to do it. Yeah, anyways, guys, thank you for the wonderful stream. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Thank you for the new subscribers. Appreciate it. Had another win today, so it's the first trade of the week actually. Didn't really take any trades on Monday. Yesterday, because I was busy setting up my new monitor during Asian session, and during London session I had some power outage, so very nice session today. Anyways, get you guys during London session, or if not, then tomorrow.